Are you overwhelmed by manual procurement processes and seeking a streamlined solution? Are you looking to enhance supplier collaboration and improve compliance in your procurement activities? Well, if you're ready to transform your procurement planning with a powerful cloud based tool, then I'll introduce you to SAP Ariba. It is a comprehensive procurement management solution designed to simplify your procurement processes, enhancing supplier collaboration, and ensure compliance. Whether you're managing sourcing, contracting, or supplier relationships, SAP Ariba centralizes and streamlines your procurement activities. With SAP Ariba, you can automate procurement tasks while gaining real time insights into your spending and collaborate effectively with suppliers, all within single platform. Its intuitive interface and robust features make it adaptable to various organizational needs, enhancing productivity and transparency. From sourcing to invoicing, SAP Ariba empowers you to make informed decisions swiftly. In this tutorial, we'll explore how SAP Ariba can transform your procurement planning process. We'll cover setting up your account, navigating the interface, utilizing key features, and collaborating with suppliers. First things first, head over to their website, which is sap.com, and then from in there, just look for the product under the spend management option and product sourcing software. We have in here the SAP Ariba. Now click onto this try now option right here, and it will ask for your details and just start your free trial once they've actually enabled you to do that. So since I've already logged in and registered to them and I have agreed to their terms and conditions, I can now promptly start my free trial. So this is what this will look like. Here is the trial start page. We have in here some guided tours as well as discovering what's next, as well as sourcing bundle. So here is the home page of that. Just click onto this manage procurement projects. And then from in there, you can open the actual app from here. So to create a project, click onto this create option. And then from in there, head over and then just input the project name as well as the project type, your currency, as well as the likes. So just name it according to your liking. So for example, let's name this Labs Construction. Choose in here the project type. And then for this case, input the project description. So for example, let's name this construction for lab. You can also input right here the visibility, the active status, project leads, and input right here the currency. For example, let's choose US dollars. Now you can also see in here or create some sub-projects as well as team members for this case. But once you're done, click onto the save option in order to save the progress that you have. Now you can also click onto this edit option, and then from in there you can edit the actual project visibility and set it to public if you would want. So from in there just click on OK and then save this. So earlier the actual public or product visibility is turned off while we're creating it. Now if you want to create a sub project, click onto this create option. And then from in there, just enter the following information and then just enter whatever you want to input for that. So let's head over and create. Just input right here the sub-project name. So for example, let's put in here the receiving area. And then input right here the sub-project type. Let's make it medium. And also choose in here the plant. I'll choose in here the plant for the Europe as well as the start for production. You can choose in here the production date as well as the sub-project scheduling templates. You can also add milestones, items, BOMs, and the likes. For this case, click on Save. And then from in there, it should be able to save what you have inputted through this case. Now in here you can see the actual options as well as what we have into this case. We also have a scheduled calculation and the likes for this. Using this, you can easily keep track of your projects. I have in here my project that I have created, and here are all of the projects that I am a part of. We have in here this forklift, midsize, and the likes. You can explore those projects according to your likings as well, and also adopt some filters in order to filter those projects that you would want to look. Now let's head back into our actual project right here. You can change the status of that, show the history, as well as a lot more. You can also choose in here the views that you would want and the likes. Now let's head over to the procurement project analysis. Let's click on that, and then from in there, it should be able to redirect you to the project analysis for this case. Now from in here, it should be able to load, so just wait for that. So you can input right here the particular item that you're looking for, as well as the project that you want to look for right there. For example, let's choose in here this mid-size. And it should be able to show you in here an actual analysis of that, what that will look like based on the filter that you have added. So this is actually a filtering board. And if you want to see it all in one place, we have in here an actual graph of what everything will look like in one place. We have in here the project and sub-project. We have the number of items. We have in here as well the sub-projects that's available for those kinds. We have the material number, material group, and you can also change what the graph will look like according to this case. You can make it a table if you would want. You can make it a bar graph and also a timeline graph. Now let's head over to the procurement project overview. So it should be able to load, so just wait for this. So if you have enough data, you should be able to see in here the procurement project overview, the BOM updates available, investment comparison, refresh status, scheduling alerts, as well as sourcing project status, the scheduling as well as the workflow that we have available into this particular case. So, as you have noticed, SAP Ariba Procurement Planning is actually a very comprehensive tool for your procurement activities. If you're ready to transform your procurement planning process, just visit their official website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others in your network. If you have any questions, you can also comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thank you so much for watching.